So inside of a membership site, there are two types of content. First and foremost is what we call core content. Core content is what your members will interact with first when they come into your membership site. This is important because it essentially establishes the foundation for your whole membership. You want all your members on the same page when it comes to terms that you may use or, skills that you may want them to have, but core content is really important to establishing that foundation. Now, I like to create core content around something that we call the success path, which is essentially the vision of how to go from where they are to where they want to be and the stages of progress that they're going to go through. So that is essentially my core content, is I cast that vision and I talk about the journey that we're going to be on together inside of this membership site as we look to make progress towards where they ultimately want to be. It's a great way to not only cast a vision, but it's a great way to help people get clear on, okay, I see where this is all heading, I see what is important, and I see what's going to contribute to getting us there. So core content is really important, and this is content that you want your members interacting with when they first come into your site. The second type of content are your monthly deliverables. So what are you going to be providing each and every month that is going to help people make progress toward that desired result? And so again, it depends on the type of membership site that you've got. If it's a publisher membership, then you're going to be publishing content on a weekly basis. If it's a UPS membership, it might be you're delivering a package of content, and that might be weekly, it might be monthly, but it could even be quarterly for some memberships. But what package of content? But these are your monthly deliverables. These are the things that people are going to get each and every month. And so those are all the two types of content, your core content and your monthly deliverables. The key thing is that you're clear on which is which and you've got both. The core content is important because that establishes the vision, if you will, for your members when they join. It gets everybody on the same page, and now they've got a vision for where this is all going. And then the monthly deliverables are important because that's essentially what's going to help them each and every month get to that desired result. That's it. Just two types: core content, monthly deliverables. Now, my question to you: what's going inside your core content, and what are your monthly deliverables going to be? Let me know. All right, we'll talk soon.